Well, I just got my motorcycle back after that incident with the lady on the light. They fixed the fender. What are you doing? Lady's not even paying attention to what they're doing. The least they could have done is to fill up my tank. I just realized that they didn't even fill that up. It's good to be back on it after a week of not riding it. There's a lot of people that don't pay attention around here. I need to get that exhaust. They said that they were going to reimburse me for having to take Uber over there to pick up the bike. So they're gonna cover all 3 trips. The crazy thing is that the insurance had an opportunity to go look at the bike while it was at the dealership. They had the bike the whole week and they never went to go take the picture. The guy asked me, hey, do you have a problem with them getting with you to go see the bike? I'm like, if they never went to go see the bike within that week period that you guys had it, then I'm not gonna take a day off just for that. He's like, no. He's like, we don't expect you, but tell me if you have a problem with it, you know, you can let them know. And I'm like, yeah, well, I do, because they should have went to go see the bike at the dealership, not at my house or wherever the bike is. So he said he understands and he'll let them know. The service manager was telling me that they've been a pain in the butt to get a hold of. It's like they work for a couple of hours and that's it. They were trying to get a hold of them, see when they're gonna come look at the bike. They fixed the bike right away. They just needed them to come get the pictures so they can give me my bike back. I don't know what happened, but I really don't care anymore because I'm not gonna take off. They should have went to the dealership. That's why it was there. It made me upset. The manager was telling me that they don't want to pay them for the repairs of the bike. They were telling me if they need to go look at the bike. I'm like, well, the bike's already repaired, so what are they gonna see? I'm not even gonna worry about it. I don't even want to waste my time in having them come to wherever the bike is. Oh well, that's their fault. Their client is the one that ran into my bike. I'm just happy I got it back. And I double checked everything and everything seems legit.
Well, we'll see you guys on the next one.